In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hearts in Flow app. This is a simple process that will help you track your intimate activities effectively. Let's get started. First, launch Flow on your mobile device. You will see the app's welcoming screen, which may feature a colorful design and your personalized health insights. This initial step is crucial because it sets the stage for tracking your health and wellness. If you have not yet set up your account, take a moment to do so. Once the app is open, you will be ready to navigate through its features. This ensures that you are using the app to its fullest potential. Next up, open and navigate to the calendar group. You can find this option typically at the bottom of the screen or in the main menu. The calendar section is where all your recorded data is displayed, allowing you to see patterns in your health. This part of the app is integral for monitoring your cycle and other health-related activities. It's designed to give you a comprehensive overview of your intimate life, so be sure to familiarize yourself with it. After that, scroll down slightly and tap the Log Symptoms or Plus button. This button is usually marked with a plus sign, making it easy to spot. Tapping this button opens a new menu where you can input various details about your day. This action is important because it allows you to log specific activities that contribute to your overall health tracking. You will notice a smooth transition into the logging screen, which keeps the experience user-friendly and efficient. From there, scroll through the categories to find the Sex and Sex Drive or Intimacy section. This section will include various options tailored to your intimate activities. As you scroll, take a moment to review the different categories available. This is significant because selecting the correct category helps you maintain accurate records, which can be useful for future insights into your health. You want to ensure that you are logging the right information to get the most out of the app. Now, select the relevant option that matches your activity for the day, such as protected sex, unprotected sex, sensual touch, or high sex drive. Each option is designed to accurately reflect your intimate experiences. Take your time to choose the one that best describes your day. Choosing the correct activity is vital because it provides clarity in your tracking, allowing for personalized health insights later. You will feel confident knowing you are tracking your intimacy accurately. Finally, tap the Apply or Save button at the bottom of the screen. This final action confirms your entry into the app. Once you tap this button, a confirmation will usually appear, reassuring you that your data has been saved. This makes sure your changes are recorded properly and helps keep your health information up to date. You can now easily revisit this data whenever you want, providing a clear picture of your intimate health. By following these steps, you have successfully logged your intimate activities in the Flow app. Tracking your intimacy can help you understand your body better and maintain your overall well-being. Thank you for watching and happy tracking.